Hey y'all, it's me, Kia. And girl, let me tell you all about Itoday wig review.
Kia's going.
So I recently purchased a unit from Aliexpress from the vendor Itoday. It's my first time purchasing from this particular vendor. It got really good reviews, so I'm really excited to see how this unit looks. I ended up getting the 24-inch loose body wave. I'm pretty sure it's body wave. 24 inches, 180 density, which is so important when it comes to longer wigs, because if you get a density like at 150 at that length, you're gonna look like crazy, okay? The hair is gonna be so thin. You're basically gonna look like this, like super paper thin. So always make sure that if you're getting a longer wig, you have the density at least 180%. But anyways, so it took about a week to get here. I haven't opened the package, like I literally just opened it to see what it was. So we're gonna figure out how this unit looks, how she feels, how she looks on me together. So it comes in this little silky bag, 100% human hair, new life beginning. We will continue to work hard to provide quality hair and good customer service. Thanks. Oh, y'all so cute. Okay, so inside we have some lashes. They love including these lashes that I will not wear because they are just too much for me. The same thing happened in my last wig review video. They sent these super long lashes. We also have a wig cap. The lady on this wig cap always cracks me up because I don't know, like the way she's looking, she's like, I don't know why every time I see her, I just crack up. All right, and that's it. Oh wait, something else, a card, feels like. Okay, so they have like a coupon, so make a TikTok video. So basically, make a TikTok video. If your video gets over 2,000 views, you're getting $100. Over 10,000 views, you're getting $200. And over 50,000 views, you're getting $300. Okay, I might do that. If you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you follow me on all social media platforms, but especially TikTok. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so let's get into this hair. Ooh, it's long. She's long. I literally will keep the packages, and this is where I will store my wigs and my wig drawers. So I kind of like that they have it in this package. Wow. Like I'm pretty sure this is a loose body wave, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Nice and thick.
Like I like it.
Oh yeah. There is a slight odor. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wash her because I'm gonna need to wash her. She kind of stinks. It's not like, it smells like hair, but it's like a very distinctive hair smell. So I'm definitely gonna have to wash her before I wear her out. But yeah, oh my goodness. Look how bouncy she is. And I'm brushing my fingers through it and like no shedding, which is really good. She's gorgeous. Ooh. So the lace, she has some baby hairs already kind of out already. And it's like, it's super transparent. Like, look at this. Very transparent lace. On the inside, we have 2 combs on the sides, and then we have one in the back, and then we also have adjustable straps. Then some lace back here as well. And I like how wide this lace is. So you can literally part it in the middle, you can part it on the side. It's definitely a lot of room for versatility with this unit. All right, so I'm going to try her on and I'll be right back. So this is how she's looking fresh out of the box. I love how thick it is. The density is spot on. As you can see, the knots are not bleached. So I will have to get them bleached for a more realistic like part. But we have the baby hair right here, the very transparent lace. Nice natural hairline. And I will likely end up doing like a middle part with this, but again, the knots aren't bleached. We just wanted to show you real quick how she looks fresh out of the box. I know I look crazy with this lace. So I'm gonna do a soft install, and I say soft because like I mentioned earlier, the knots aren't bleached, so it's definitely not gonna look as good as it could look if the knots were bleached. But they did try with the hairline. The hairline isn't terrible, can just definitely use a little bit more plucking for a more realistic look. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace and just do like a soft install. I'll probably part it and still hot comb it down. But again, it's not gonna look as good as it could look without the bleached knots. And typically I will have my stylist just kind of customize my wigs. That way I can just pop them on and off. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Hey y'all, so I do not know how to install lace wigs. Like I said earlier, I will typically have my stylist bleach the knots, pluck the hairline, and really just customize the wig for me. That way I can just plop it on and off and don't have to do all this. She's probably gonna be like super annoyed that I'm even cutting the lace, but I really just wanted to show you guys how this unit was looking without all the lace in the way. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of just speed through this part because I'd hate for you to try to like watch it thinking you're gonna learn something and try it and jack up your wig. So yeah, I'm gonna just skip through this part and I'll see you towards the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I am not a professional wig slayer. I really just wanted to show you guys this unit, see how the lace was looking. Very transparent. See how the hair looked, which I definitely love. I love the density, like I said earlier. It can hold a curl. It did have an odor, which I didn't like, but I also like how you can part the lace, like, so if you want to do a side part, you can. And it goes, does it go all the way down to the other side? Let's see. Okay, you can't go this deep, but a good side part you can get away with. Yeah, I will probably keep it in the middle. But yeah, I am gonna have my wig slayer do her thing with like the knots and everything, so that it looks a little bit more natural. But for it to be straight out the box, I don't think it looks bad at all. Like, I just added a little bit of concealer, trimmed the lace, and you know, just got to be glued it down to my head. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will call you later. Toodles!
Subscribe.